Okay, guys. So here we are here again on another stream. So right now we are live. So as you can see, the title of this live stream is saying avoid 111,000 K mistakes in crypto. So we are going to see some of the mistakes that people are making on the crypto market, and this mistake really caught my eyes because I was just there online doing my research about crypto, seeing what's really happening on the crypto market, and then I saw this post. It was a post on Twitter or X by Look On Chain. So I just want to talk on some of the things that happened with this guy. He lost really a huge amount of money. So if at all you are now here, just come through, let me know that you are hearing me, let me know that you are seeing me, because I always want to make sure that what I'm saying is clear, because I don't want to just speak and no one is really listening or hearing what I'm saying. So I'm just waiting for you to come through so that we can talk crypto. Let's not make mistakes on the crypto market, because these mistakes can really cost us. They can cost us hugely. Let me just set up something here. Okay, now I think my tripod height might now be okay. Let me believe so. Okay, now I can be seen well in the camera. So I'm just waiting for you so that we can now see some of the mistakes that people are making on the crypto market, because the mistake he did is something that I've talked about here on YouTube. I made a video about it, and I want to just take you through on this live stream so that we can be quick and see some of the things that we can avoid making on the crypto market, some of the things that we can use in order to make profits, in order to also avoid scams on the crypto market, because we know with every opportunity comes with those guys who just want to scam us. So I'm really eagerly waiting for you so that we can just see some of the things to avoid on the crypto market. Some of the big mistakes that people are making. I don't know if at all this guy is a whale or he was just trying to see if at all he can be a millionaire with this crypto thing. But for me, I strongly believe that this guy was gambling, because there's no way you're going to put huge amount of money on a meme coin. So more so on Solana blockchain, because Solana blockchain, there's so many meme coins, there are so many scam coins that are being launched there. If you go to pump.fun, it's something there. Those coins that are being launched are updating seconds. So with you just putting really huge amount of money on meme coins, more so on the Solana blockchains, I strongly believe that's gambling. Yes, we want to catch these pumps, we want to catch these moves, but if at all you're going to do it in the manner that this guy did it, I'd strongly say this guy was gambling. So let's go and look at some of the things that happened here. So if at all you are here, welcome to this live stream. We are going to see some of the things that people are making, which are really costing them hugely on the crypto market. And as you can see from the title, avoid 111K mistakes in crypto. So that's our main topic of today, and I just saw this news today, and that's why I'm talking about it today, because we always do our live stream on Sunday, and today I didn't really have a topic to talk about. I just wanted to review the Pionex sports, but now when I saw this thing, this was just a aha moment. I had to talk about this. So let's see what happened with this trader. So here the news about this trader. So when you come here to Llama feeds and then under the tweets, so these are things that's happening on X. So you see, Look On Chain tweeted, "Don't FOMO trade. This guy lost 111K on Pop in under 5 minutes. Guys, 5 minutes. He spent 200k USDC to FOMO buy pop, but right after his purchase, the price dropped sharply. In a panic, he sold for just 89k, burning 111k in minutes. So you see, a guy enters into a trade, and then just within 5 minutes, it goes against him and he sells. It means that he didn't actually accept the risk, because when you're going to trade, you have to accept the risk. When you're trading, you have to accept the risk. And that's where smart trading comes through and gambling comes through. Because you can't tell me that you want to be a swing trader and you're going to enter a trade within 5 minutes. That's scalping and that's gambling. Swing trading goes for a day, 2 days. You can even hold the trade for the whole week, and then you take your profits or you take your losses, because when you're going to trade, you've accepted the risk. There's that you can lose the trade or you can make profits. So this guy buys this pop coin for 200k USDC. Then 5 minutes, the trade is against him, and then it's like, whoa, what's happening here? I want to take some of my principal before it goes to zero, because these meme coins on the Solana blockchain, they go to zero fast. These are not blue chips. These are not things to play around with. And if you're going to ever trade these Solana meme coins, please don't put money you can't afford to lose. Don't put money you can't afford to lose on these meme coins. So there's another post here. The Pop dev insiders made over $1 million in just 2 hours. The Pop team created a new wallet and spent 100k USDC to be the first to buy 5.8 million Pop right after the token launch. They then sold 1.5 million Pop, which is roughly $428k at 28 cents, and still hold 4.3 million Pop, which is 685k. So these guys, they were doing some insider trading, so they just created a new wallet and then became the first people to buy, sold right away, and then within just 2 hours they made their money. And now some people really get tracked. So guys, for me, this is a very huge loss. I just want to see, you see with this $200,000 or the $100,000, when you say it like that, you can't really feel the magnitude of the loss. But we just want to convert this money into your currency, into my currency, so that we can see the real magnitude of this loss. Because with your own currency, you can actually see the magnitude of the loss. So let me just go to my currency converter here real quick. So most of my viewers or subscribers, I believe so, but most of my viewers from my analytics are from India. So we just want to convert USD to Indian rupee and then the Kenyan currency, so that we can actually see the magnitude of these kind of losses. Because when you just say dollars, $200,000, you can't really see the magnitude. So we are here with a Indian rupee and then $200,000. So someone goes in the market and wants to buy $200,000 of a meme coin. That is 25 million Kenyan shillings, 850,000 Kenyan 25,850,000 Kenyan shillings. I don't know if at all any of the Kenyan guys are watching. Would you ever invest on a single asset or a single investment? Would you ever put 25 million Kenyan shillings? Would you ever put 25 million Kenyan shillings? Or if you are from India, would you ever put 16.9 million Indian rupee on a single investment? If at all it's not Bitcoin, it's not gold, it's not real estate, just meme coin. You purely know meme coins. We are just trying to gamble If at all you are safe, then we get big investments, and we can also get banned hugely. Can you put these kind of amounts on an investment where you know you are most likely gambling? And then let's see what he lost. So this guy puts 25 million Kenya shillings, loses 14 million, 14.3 million Kenya shillings within just 5 minutes. It's not a day, it's not a month, it's not a year. 5 minutes. Imeenda. Say 14 million shillings in a blow. It's blown, it's gone, man. So if at all you're coming to crypto, you're saying this is the place I'm going to make money, I'm going to be a millionaire in crypto, guys, I want you to see these figures. This is how you can hugely lose your money here. You need to get your fundamentals right. You need to get your basics, your foundation. Those are the things that you mainly need to focus on. Don't focus on the money first when you come to crypto. Focus on getting the knowledge here. Focus here first before you even think of the money. Focus on your foundation. Focus on just educate. See some of the things, some of the ways you can avoid these pitfalls, some of the ways that you can avoid being scammed, because crypto is the Wild West. It's a crazy place. Yes, you can make money, but if you don't have your fundamentals right, if you don't have your basics right, your foundation, then you can lose such amount of money in a very short period of time. So when you come here on X, there's some post about this token. So let's see POP. So the ticker symbol is $POP. Yes, people made money on POP, but the guys who were banned, they were banned really hugely. Meme coin on Solana. Devs timed it perfectly. I don't know what that means. W/Trump post even got a shout out from Oka. So Oka is a decentralized exchange on the Solana blockchain. Instant 400 million market cap pump, then nuked 70 to 80% in under an hour. Classic. Socials looked like Trump rumors. It's the same team. On-chain fresh wallets aped 10 to 20 million early, dumped 300 to 400 million. Team holds 90% of supply. Solana stays undefeated. So you can see that these team members, they are holding 90% of the supply of this token. So if I told you, I always say before investing in a meme coin or any token, look at the top 10 holders or the dev. How much of this token are they holding? Because if they are holding 90%, then you can easily get wrecked. When they start selling, guys, your money will be gone. So there's someone who made money here, just turned $7,100 into 70,000 with POP. So I believe he was one of the lucky guys. I gave you at 40 million, it went to 400 million, 10x. As promised, I want to change someone's life and send that one to someone. But okay, so this is just some lucky guy. He was there, made his money, but I believe he would have been among the people who was wrecked, because this token, the team members or the top 10 holders were having more than 90% of this supply. So we just want to take a look on some of the ways that you can avoid getting scammed on the Solana meme coins. I made a video about it, but we just want to do a quick review of how to actually do research on this Solana meme coins. So we just go here on so some of the tools that you really need to master, really need to get. Let me see if I told someone has chatted. I want to get these charts before we go and look on some of the ways that you can avoid the scams, some of the ways that you can do our own research. always know how to do your own research. Do your own research, DYOR, before putting your money into any token, because you're going to be scammed. This crypto thing is so easy to be scammed. So let me just get some of your takeaways about this pop, about these scams on the Solana blockchain. Let me have those comments coming through in the chats. So we go here on Dex Screener. So when you come here to Dex Screener, this is the pop token, and now you can see the liquidity is 8.1 million, and then it's not locked. If at all it's locked, you should see something that looks like a padlock around the liquidity. So it's not locked, which is a very red flag. The liquidity needs to be locked. And then you can see the transactions, the volume, the maker, the FDV, and then the market cap. So that's some of the info about this one. Then when you want to get the contract address, you come here down where it says pair, then pop, then the USDC. So under the pop, just copy the contract address, and then you have the info about this one. So you already have the contract address from Dex Screener. When you just search pop, you bring it, it brings the data. Then you can see here there's the charts. Okay, so here's the chart. We are seeing the, let's go with the 1 hour chart. Then you are seeing the chart on the market cap. There's the price chart, and then there's the market cap. So we are looking at the market cap chart. So this thing, it went, when was this? Let's look at this candlestick. This candlestick was on 3rd May. 3rd May, the market cap of this token went up to 400 million. So 3rd May is yesterday, because today is 4th May when I'm having this live stream. Remember, this token is only a day old, so people saw the opportunity, and it was a perfect time for them to make money on this pop token. So 3rd May, that's yesterday, this token, the market cap went up to 429 million. So let's just say 400 million. Then it crashed heavily. So on this so this 3rd May, when it got up to 400 million, was 3rd May at around this one was 13 hours, so that's 1 p.m. based on my time frame. Then 1 hour later at 2 p.m. so you can see 2 p.m. it crashed, this very huge red candle. Crashed to around 96 million from 400 million. So just 1 hour, people lost, within 1 hour people lost a huge amount of money from this pop token. So that was yesterday. So as from then, you can see it's just been going sideways. Now it's sitting at 74 million market cap. So you can see, so people thought this is the perfect time to make money. We are going to be rich, because with the meme coins, we always come here very early, make our money, and then we are out and we don't talk about it. But now this one, it really banned people. So you can see that's the chart. And then so if at all you already have this, you want to now make your research about the Solana meme coins, you come here on Telegram, I'm just doing a review of what I already talked about or I already taught, so that we can know some of the ways that we can do our own research and avoid getting scammed. So we have the contract address. Come here on Telegram and search the TTF bot. It will give you data, a summarized data of what you need to know about a particular token. So just come here and then paste the contract address that you've copied from DexScreener or DexTools. So when you paste that contract address, now it will give you this data, which is very essential, and you need to know what you are looking at when you're given this information. So you can see here the token is POP, ticker symbol POP. Then the first information that you're seeing is this mutable metadata. So what does mutable mean? It means that the metadata on this token can be changed by the dev. They can change some of the information or what's really essential. So you can see that alarm symbol. So with that, just that first information, you should be alert so that you don't think about investing into this kind of token. So you can see the pair is that one, then the owner renounced, the chain is Sol, age is 1 day, so it was just launched yesterday. Then the mint is no, so that is very good. Tick. Then the liquidity is unlocked, which should be locked. So that's the second warning. The liquidity should always be locked. Then the price you can see is 7 cents. The launch market cap was 17.26 million. Then the all-time high was 432.75 million market cap, which is 25x. We made a very huge appreciation, but the guys who made money on this one were just the insiders, the dev team. Then the holders is 3K. Then you can see the top 10 people holding this token have up to 97.84%, a very huge red flag. So that's our third red flag. So those are some of the ways that you can use this bot in order to just do a quick research about a particular token before even thinking of buying it. So those information, always make sure that the metadata is not mutable. Then the liquidity should be locked. Then look at the top 10 holders, and then you can now start going into their socials, the X account, their websites, the Telegram channels, all those. So when you come here again under the deck screen, I want to look at the bubble maps. The bubble maps is how we'll now be in a position to see how this token is distributed among its community. So under the charts and transactions, just click here on the bubble maps. So you can see this bubble map. Wow, it's not evenly distributed. We always want to see a particular token that it's evenly distributed among its holders. So you can see with this big bubble map, the wallet is ranked number 1 and it's holding up to 80% of the total supply of the token. So if you invest into this particular token, you're setting yourself up for failure, because one person holding more than 80% of this token, then why would you invest into this kind of a token? So once you know the information about this token, so let's assume it was a safe token to invest in, then you wanted to invest. How would you invest? So this guy just goes, buys, and then 5 minutes later he wants to manually sell these tokens. So that's not the best way to do it. You should always use the bots, because with meme coins there are bots that can help you to trade these tokens. So he was doing manual trading, and that's why he was actually banned. He got wrecked. So when you want to invest into these Solana meme coins, the best wallet to use is the Photon wallet. So with Photon, you will now, not Photon actually, I'm starting to confuse the words. So it's Phantom wallet, and then you can use either GMGN, you can use Bullex, or you can use the Photon a trading bot. So when you come here under the sites, or you can also use my Photon link in order to start using the Photon trading bot. So under the sites, you can see this DeFi or DAO marketplaces, DeFi. So when you come here, there's Photon, which is now ranked number 13. So you are here under Photon. Now you want to invest into a particular token. Let's say we want to invest in this the Pop Cathedral thing. So you have the contract address, just search and then you paste that contract address. Okay, I already copied it, or I can still just paste it here. And then you can see here is the Pop. So here under Photon, we can see some of the information about this Pop token. You can see the price USDC. Supply is 1 billion, the liquidity is 8.1, the market cap is 74.45 million in the transaction. So when you see here under there's the buy sell then data, you can see there's something written too. So you can just go there and see the data. So you can see the data and security, 2 issues. So where are the issues? The LP band is 0%. They have not actually banned the liquidity. So it needs to be banned 100% or 99%, so that you can now start being safe when you invest this particular token. Then the top 10 holders, they have up to 90% of the total supply. So those are already 2 issues that you are seeing within the Photon trading account. So with the Photon, again, you can get the information that you need that can help you avoid investing into scam tokens. So in case you wanted to buy this token, how would you buy it? You'd actually come here, either buy now or buy the dip. And then when you bought it, then go into the sell part immediately. When you go under the sell, because it's like you are trading, you are setting your entry point, your stop loss, and then your take profit. So once you've clicked buy, you've bought your amount, then go ahead under the sell part. Then you say auto sell. So here under auto sell, you have the stop loss, you have the take profit. Remember, you have already gotten into the trade. Now you set your stop loss limit, you set your take profit. So when the market cap drops by this percentage, or when the market cap reaches, just click here and then you see the market cap reaches this market cap. Then let's say you've entered into this trade when the market cap is at 100k. You say when the market cap drops to 80k, you want to cut your losses from this token. You want to get your stop loss taken. Then you also again can set your take profit, because you need to be trading these tokens with an objective. Where do I want to get out? Just don't enter and then wait. Let it go to 1 million. It can't go to 1 million. It can't go to where you want it. Have some objective. Have some clear goal when you are going to invest into this kind of meme coins, because eventually they always go to zero. So set your take profit. So when the market cap rises by this amount, or when the market cap reaches this amount, then I want to be out of this trade with my profits. So this is how easy it is to set your stop loss, take profits into this kind of meme coins on the Solana blockchain. So when you're going to be into this channel, the Geoffrey Gekood channel, I want to help you avoid this kind of losses, which can actually impact you hugely on your finances. So this is how you approach the Solana meme coins. They are the best tools that you can use to trade them you can use Photon, you can use Bullex, you can use GMGN, and it's just a matter of learning them, because personally I also didn't know about them, but now when I saw how people were trading on the Solana blockchain, I realized, okay, this is a new game. There's a way that these meme coins are being approached on the Solana blockchain. You just don't go to Radium and then start buying. You start buying and then wait for them to go to the moon. No, these are pump.fun tokens, and they heavily, or they are most likely going to zero. So this is how you approach them. Trade with an objective, have some goals. You have to set your stop losses, you have to set your take profits, and then you can also set the time when they expire, those stop losses, those take profits. GMGN or Photon gives you everything that you need that will help you to succeed on the Solana meme coin trading. Let me just know if at all this stream is helping you with anything on how to deal with meme coins. Have I actually opened your eyes and shown you some of the ways that you can use to avoid pitfalls on this crypto thing, this blockchain thing? Because here, if at all your fundamentals, your basics are not right, it's a guarantee that you're going to lose money. I'm assuring you that one. You're going to lose money if your fundamentals are not right. So I recently made a stream about Pionex, and it's also one of the ways that you actually capitalize on the crypto market using bots, because we want to just make our work easier. And if at all you're someone who doesn't want to be in this gambling game, because if at all you're going to trade things on these meme coins, then you are most likely going to gamble, even if you're going to be using the Photon, the Bullex. It's most likely that you're going to get banned eventually. So someone wants to make profits on autopilot, which is more likely a guarantee that you're going to make profits, because you're going to invest into blue chip tokens, not meme coins, these well-developed tokens. Then the best place to actually capitalize on these tokens or these coins is using the Pionex crypto trading bots. So here on Pionex, because so far we are most likely on a crypto bull run, and I recently made a video and I also made a stream about the best bot that you can use on a bull market, and it's the Infinity Grid bot, which is available on Pionex, and it's free. You don't pay anything. So just come here on Pionex and then create your bot. When you come here, there's so many bots that you can actually capitalize on, and then go under the advanced grid bots, the Infinity Grid bot, choose your token, and here we are mostly going to trade blue chip tokens. If at all you come here under the tokens and you search this pop token, I'm sure it's not here. It's not here. So you can see. So here we are going to trade with tokens that are most likely not going to zero. They are blue chip, they are well developed. You can see there's no pop here. So Pionex lists tokens that are more likely developed. So when you want to capitalize on your funds, on your investment, then here on the crypto bull run, this is the place to be. Choose Infinity Grid bot, choose AI strategy or your own customized settings, put your lower limit, put your profit per grid, and then your investment is always a minimum of $50 when you're going to be using the Infinity Grid bot. Then with the crypto bull run, your bots will always be tracking market. You don't need to set your upper limit. Whenever the crypto market goes up and down, you will get your trades, you will get your profits. in Bitcoin, and that's another way to get your money exposed into the crypto market. So mine is already running. It's 11 days. I already have a total profit of 1.72 USDT, which is a 3% up. So unrealized profit of 1.61. And then again, when the market structure changes from trending to sideways, I said the best place to capitalize on those kind of market is using the classic or the regular grid bots. So you can go with the futures grid bot, you can go with the spot grid bots, and already have so many bots running here. So guys, if at all you want to get yourself exposed using the bots, not always sticking on the markets, manually looking at the charts and wasting time, or getting yourself involved with tokens that can go to zero at a fast pace, then this is the place to be. Just use the referral code that I'm going to put in the chat. And as always, you can find this stream on YouTube. It will always be here. You can still review it, you can still go through it and still learn more. So that's what I wanted to talk about today, about some of the mistakes that people are making on the crypto market. They are going there to be rich, but they don't have the fundamentals, and that's the fastest way to get banned. So this is the link in order to start trading with Pionex. You can just sign up on Pionex and now start exposing yourself into trading with the crypto trading bots, which are free. And now again, I want to just invite you to become part and parcel of my newsletter community, the GekoodHub newsletter, where I give you news or first-hand information on what's happening on the crypto market, or I give you what I'm planning so that you know ahead of what's really coming, what's coming from Geoffrey Gekood. So in order to join that one, let me just put the link here on the chat. So guys, that's it for me. I believe that from today you are not going to just invest into crypto tokens because you are seeing people are making money, and you just FOMO through without having the right knowledge. So let me see you again on next Sunday on what I really have hot for you. I've not already planned as the way today. I had not planned about talking about this, but I just saw this thing and I wanted to warn you so that you can always be ready and not get scammed easily. So let's meet on next Sunday.